I'm going to begin by building a filter compartment out of corrugated plastic and then using silicone to adhere it to the glass. I'm using silicone here to adhere the corrugated plastic to the glass. This was my first mistake. I made the filter compartment a little too big, so I ended up taking that piece out and making it smaller, but it caused a huge mess on the glass. This part was fun. I ended up using silicone off camera and attaching these rocks to make it look like a little waterfall. Here I'm adding the filter and I'll test the water flow. After playing around with it, I used the super glue and tissue method since it's faster than silicone. I'm adding sphagnum moss right now, and this will help wick up the moisture from the waterfall, and then I'll place moss on top. My initial plan was to use a fern, but this plant caught my eye in the plant store, and it's going to be a little bit of an experiment to see if it'll survive in these conditions. This is my first time planning Monte Carlo, and I separated it off camera. It ended up being very difficult to plant, but it does help to have water in the tank. This floating plant, along with the snails that I will add later, will help keep the tank clean. I added this in the back to hide the filter compartment. I got these snails from my local pet store, and these will be the only inhabitants of this tank. It's too small even for cherry shrimp. This is the 1 month update. The moss is doing great on top. The plant's also surviving. The only thing that's died a little bit was the Monte Carlo. Gary here is living his best life.